Take a small quantity of a food item for testing. The food that you want to test is in a solid form. If that is not in solid form, then you first need to make a paste of it or make its powder form. Now you can take this in a test tube or in a bowl, then add few drops of water to it. Now using a dropper, add 2 drops of solution of copper sulfate and few drops of solution of caustic soda to the bowl or test tube. After shake the test tube or any bowl and let the test tube or bowl stand for a few minutes. What do you see? Did the contents of the test tube turn violet? If yes, then a violet color indicates the presence of protein in the food item. Now you can repeat this test on other food items also to check the presence of protein. The objective of this video was to know about protein test.